And while Army Chief General Naravane, after having attended the passing out parade at the Indian Military Academy, gave out a statement on the Indo-China standoff and said that everything is under control as far as the situation along the line of actual control is concerned. Listen into that reaction coming in.
To assure everyone that the entire situation along our borders with China is under control. We are having a series of talks which started with the Corps Commander level talks on the 6th of this month. This has been followed up by a number of meetings at the local level between commanders of equivalent ranks, and as a result of this a lot of disengagement has taken place, and we are hopeful that through this continued dialogue that we are having, all perceived differences that we have will be set to rest. As I said right at the beginning, everything is under control.
Sir, continuing with the information provided by you, there are reports that both the forces have retreated from the Galwan Valley, but the Chinese have refused to accept any issue on the Pangong chunk of the land, which is up to finger 8.
I would not like to use the word retreated in any context. There is no retreat. There is no, the correct word would be to use it as disengagement, and both sides are disengaging in a phased manner. We have started from the north, from the area of the Galwan River, where a lot of disengagement has happened. It has been a very fruitful dialogue that we have had, and as I said, it will continue, and by the situation will keep improving as we go on.
And my colleague Tejinder Singh Sodhi joining us on the phone line with more details. Tejinder, at a time when several speculations are being made on the India-China standoff, Army Chief, after attending the passing out parade at IMA, making it clear that there is some sort of a calm that now one can see at the line of actual control, and both the sides are in fact stepping back in their own individual capacity. More details, please.
There are many speculations which are making round about the situation on the line of actual control between India and China, but the Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane has put all those speculations to rest. He has said that the entire nation needs to be assured that the borders with China, the situation along the border with China is under control. The Army Chief also said that both the militaries, the PLA, the People's Liberation Army, and the Indian Army, they are holding various meetings. He also spoke about the commander level meeting which was recently held between the Indian and the Chinese side, and he said that both the sides, they have agreed in principle to de-escalate the situation on the line of actual control, and many steps gradually are being taken so as to ensure that the standoff that has been there for a good period of time should end. The Army Chief said that as a result of the meetings that have been held, a lot of disengagement, though the Army Chief did not use the word retreat, but he said that disengagement has taken place, and both the sides, they are hopeful that with the continued dialogue, the situation on the line of actual control is brought back to the situation which existed before April this year. So clearly, the Army Chief has expressed hope that the situation on the line of control, line of actual control rather, between India and Chinese side is under control of both the sides, and there would be no escalation. We have been seeing that a lobby has been peddling a fake news. We saw.
Tejinder, it's an important reaction. Why? Because Congress, at a time when the Indian Armed Forces, when the central government has made it clear that all is being done to make sure that the situation remains under control, Congress time and again politicizing the issue. First we had Rahul Gandhi, who questioned both Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, questioned the fact if Chinese troops have entered our territory, and that the Defence Minister must answer some of those questions. Now Ahmed Patel saying that Congress gave a befitting response to the Chinese troops in 1967. Once again politicizing the entire issue. So very important that the armed forces keeps making it very, very clear what's happening and puts a full stop to what the Congress is trying to do.
See, Crispin, it's really unfortunate that the Congress party and its leaders, they have been raising aspersions on the bravery of our soldiers. We know how the soldiers, they are guarding the frontiers, be it at the line of control with Pakistan or line of control with line of actual control with China. But these politicians, especially from the Congress party, they don't want to waste a single opportunity to score the political brownie points. But they, in all this slugfest which the Congress party is indulged in, they forget that they are playing with the national security, they are playing with the national interest at a time when the entire nation, including all the opposition political parties, they should be standing behind our armed forces. They should be standing behind the government. They are raising aspersions. They are raising questions which are not only detrimental for the national security, but it is also helping the enemy forces. We know that it was Rahul Gandhi and his party which raised questions on the surgical strike, which raised questions on Balakot airstrikes, and now we see that the situation on the line of actual control is under control, as is being stated by the army chief. But Congress party is raising aspersions, and they are showing it to China that, see, we are not united. But this was the moment when the entire nation, including the Congress party, had the Congress party former president of the Congress party, working president Sonia Gandhi, had said that we stand behind the government of India, and whatever they take,
Yes.
they decide.
So Congress continues to politicize the entire India-China standoff, but the Indian armed forces making it clear that all is well, the situation is under control. Many thanks, Tejinder. We'll leave it at that.